God don't put nothing on you you can't handle. Love is a gamble. Believe it. Yo, had to write it down. Listen to me now. She made the teardrops fall. Wasn't ready at all. Caught me off guard. Turned a soft tar. Went the longest yard for. I was there for every single night. Tried to keep it tight. Praying to God one day she would see the light. But when you doing right, I guess they get it wrong. You can't chase what ain't there. She already gone. But I took a shot. It really took a lot out of my chest. So understand this is real stress. It's a real mess. But I should feel blessed. God sent her to me. I gotta let her be. Let her run on her own path. The wrong map just ain't adding up. Guess she done had enough. I got tatted up. Put the name on the right wrist to show these other bras gotta go. I know she know it was real shit. Too much shit to deal with for her to San Fran to try to show her. Guess it didn't work. Love is getting hurt. So next time, guaranteed I'ma be alert. This is for my angel. Never tried to change. My clear vision got me seeing it from every angle. Got the web tangled. What the weather brings. Let her spread her wings. Guess she on the better things. This is for my angel.